through the vast swathes of data, ensuring that they find the most relevant documents to their inquiries without feeling overwhelmed. While the advantages of AI in historical news preservation are clear, the path is not devoid of challenges. Ethically, the use of AI raises questions about data privacy and the potential for historical revisionism. Who controls the AI, and how can we ensure that the algorithms are free from bias? These questions are crucial in maintaining the integrity of historical data. On the technical side, the accuracy of AI in reading and interpreting old and often deteriorated documents can vary. Misinterpretations can lead to errors in the historical record, potentially misguiding future research. Continuous refinement of AI algorithms is necessary to minimize these risks and improve reliability. Moreover, the initial setup and ongoing maintenance of AI systems require significant investment. Not all institutions can afford these technologies, which could lead to disparities in which parts of history are preserved and which are neglected. Several institutions around the world have already embraced AI to great effect. The British Library, for instance, used AI to digitize thousands of pages of historical newspapers, making them available online for researchers and the general public. This project not only preserved fragile documents but also opened up British history to a global audience. Similarly, in the United States, the Library of Congress has implemented AI to manage its extensive collection of historical newspapers. By using AI to sort, categorize, and cross-reference data, they have significantly enhanced the research capabilities of historians and scholars, providing deeper insights into American history. In India, AI has been used to translate and digitize ancient manuscripts, some of which were previously unreadable due to their fragile state. This not only helps preserve India's rich history, but also makes it accessible to non-specialists, increasing cultural awareness and appreciation. The integration of AI into historical preservation is not just a technological advancement, it is a cultural revolution. As AI continues to evolve, its ability to analyze, interpret, and make accessible the vast stores of historical data will only grow, providing us with clearer insights into our past. Looking forward, the challenge will be to balance the capabilities of AI with ethical considerations and equitable access. If we can navigate these challenges successfully, AI will play a crucial role in ensuring that our historical records are not only preserved, but are also a living part of our global heritage. In the end, AI does not just help us remember history, it helps us understand and engage with it, ensuring that the lessons of the past will continue to enlighten future generations.